Hey guys, let's start off with Hebrew 10:25. Let us not neglect our meeting together, as some people do, but encourage one another, especially now that the day of his return is drawing near.
Damn, dude, I didn't even freaking. I'm just editing that video right now, dude. What's your name again? Matt. That's right. Dude, I'm just meeting everybody. It's crazy, dude.
It's awesome, man.
Yeah, it is awesome, dude. What's up, dude?
SuperDuperOutdoors, bro.
What's up, bro? What's your name?
Man. Mark.
Mark. What's up, Mark? Where you from?
Talk to mine, bro.
Right, go get him.
All right, bud. Good luck, guys. Heck yeah, dude.
Go get him. Maybe I'll join him. Any luck? Do I need to ask?
Well, yeah, I do.
I'm sorry? Oh, okay.
No, it's okay. Go
No, let me. I'll move on. Don't worry. I thought it was a boat ramp. Have a good day. Hi. Where's your fishing pole?
Oh, I'm watching.
Okay, there you go. You're the spectator.
Yes.
You're the cheering section.
Cheerleader, yes.
There you go. Okay, watch this. Got one. There you go. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Catch and release. Hey, that's a good job cheering.
What you shooting at him? Huh?
I say what?
What's the secret?
What am I what?
What are you throwing at him?
A spoon.
There you go.
SDO SuperSpoons. Okay, let's do 2 for 3. Okay, here we go. Bunch of dinks here. Let's go. Okay, 2 for 3. Another one. Let's go. Woo! Acrobatics. Woo! Another jumper. Again. Now he's just showing off. Look at these guys. All stacked right here at the marina. My tackle box is such a mess. Okay, they have no chance now. got mad at me.
Oh well, huh?
Oh well, I let her catch her fish. They're there, they're here.
I see him.
I see them too. They're rising.
He fished on a minute.
Yeah, where else have you fished?
With the pool power plant, pretty much nothing.
At the power plant?
Yeah.
The water's high now, huh?
Way high.
Yeah.
Bunch of deck fish.
Of course, man. I wouldn't have. Well, they fall off. They fall off that little ledge.
Yeah, I fished off that all winter long. And then one weekend of fishing, there's no
It is full of dead fish. Well, the raccoons and all the squirrels and all that stuff, they got food to eat now.
Oh, you got turkey vultures and go-go.
Oh yeah,
They're all up in here.
I did well at Crowley this morning.
Oh, good.
Yeah, but I was on the yak, and they weren't where they were supposed to be, of course.
They weren't in the back corner?
No, not at the point. No, I had to go across. And goodness, I got it across, but I wanted to see the Owens River. I went all the way to the Owens. I have a little motor.
Well, Panthers.
Have you gotten a few fish, right?
Yeah,
What?
I got one this morning.
Really?
Yeah, my team's got two. Look at this guy. You don't want nothing to do with that big old.
Yeah, I think you need something a little bit more finessey, my friend.
Yeah?
Yeah, what do you got? 4-pound test?
Yeah?
Maybe I could help you out here. Well, give me a sec.
What bag is this?
No, just small. Do you have something smaller?
Yeah, I do. I was just throwing a couple of little Panthers at him.
Oh, like the spinners?
Yeah.
Okay. And that didn't excite them? I'm getting bit like every cast, but they're not committing.
Right.
Uh,
No, I'm getting. No, that's what I'm getting.
is that what you're getting? Okay. Well, I'm glad I'm not alone.
A lot of looking. I
I'm
haven't been able to get one to grab the hook yet.
they grab it, but they just let go. Little power bait,
Power bait.
little mice tail action. Oh, my friend. Okay, wait here. Let me give you something. Maybe this will help. I don't know. Check this out. Hey, try. Let me give you this, and try it with this. Let me give you this. It's my brand.
Okay.
And then let me give you this instead of a swivel. Tie to this.
That, and then
Yeah, and then
clip that into that.
exactly. It'll give it the correct action. Just
So it'll give it that
slow roll it. Move it in front of you. You'll see how fast.
because it's gonna get a little wiggle. in
Yeah,
the
look. I got.
Super Duper Outdoors.
Yeah, all the fish debaucheries online.
Is that what you? So you got your cam up?
Yeah, I got my camera up there, documenting all the shenanigans.
Yeah.
Oh man, we're blessed, brother.
Yeah.
Look at what's in front of you.
That's why if I don't catch a fish, it's okay.
Well, who cares, man? But let's see if we can get you one.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.
But yeah, man, this is I don't know.
Yeah.
I woke up this morning and I'm here. I don't know what to tell you, dude.
Nice come up.
You know, it's like it's a blessed day, man.
We got our first bite of the day.
He bit it?
You did?
Oh, we're on. Oh, I got a good one. Hey,
Just took a look too. Nice. Yeah, you do.
woo, let's go.
What's up, brother?
Let's go. Come on, man, you can do it. You can do it. Slow roll it, man. You could feel it. You feel them bite. You could feel it. Come on. Get back out there. Another one. Back to back, man. Back to back. Let's go. You keeping them?
No.
They're gonna feed you.
And I appreciate
This is a nice one, man. Look at that.
That's a real nice one.
That's a good one. Look, it's like 1 2-pounder.
1.5 here, right?
Yeah, look. Oh, come on, buddy.
I know. It looked like I put a nice little bend on the pole. Looked like it was fun.
Oh yeah, he smashed it. That way. That way. There you go. Good boy. Another one. 3 on 3, bro. Woo! Hey, maybe I'm gonna have to give you a gold one. Hold on. You're hitting this color. Throw it. Yeah, throw it to your right. They're right here on the right. Like there's a school. There's a school right here on the right, all the way out there. Come on in. Come on in. I just want to say hello. I just want a picture. I just want a picture. Okay, so change your cadence. So your next cast, change it up, slow it down, speed it up, slow it down, speed it up. Okay, like.
I've been told that before,
Yeah.
for sure.
Give it a jerk too, like yeah, like just a little. Yeah, give it a little action. You know, they're on the verge of bite. They're on the verge. You know what I mean? They're about to hit that.
Oh, 5 for 5?
Four. No, I'm on the fourth one now. 4 for 4. Let's go. Come on. Huh?
I'm rushing you.
All the pressure, man. I don't need it.
I got no pressure. I haven't got one yet.
4 on 4. Come on.
The bar is low.
The bar is low.
Alright, it's time for a prayer to the big guy.
Hey, bud. Here, you want? Here you go. Are you sure? Oh, come on, man. Hey, 4 for 4. Hey, I want to give you a gold one. Let me change that. You're hitting the gold. Oh, I do have a gold one. It's your lucky day here. Put this one on. It's barbed too. We're gonna get you on a fish.
Perfect.
Yeah, you keep that other one.
Oh, thanks, sir. What's your name, brother?
Ted.
Ted?
What's your name?
Jim.
Jim, nice to meet you, Jim. Don't lose that gold one. That's my last one. Come on, man, you could do it. Yeah. Make sure it's closed and then don't make sure your bail's open. I'm giving you a hitter, man. Hey, that should be guaranteed, bro.
Cast this thing for me?
Come on, man, you could do it.
I got this.
You're using the same lure as me, man. Slower, brother. Slower. Slow that cadence down.
I think we're just about there. She's doing rotation. I had 3 followers on that one. I think I'm
On that one, on the gold.
on the gold.
Oh, look, they just kicked that. They're everywhere.
I got them right here. I just had 3 come in on that.
All right, man. I think you just need to
Slow it down.
slow it just a notch, man. I mean, almost like you're gonna snag the floor, but not. Yeah, just
You got
slower. There. Oh my gosh, he's still on. My fish is still on, dude.
Yeah, you're right there in front of me.
It's crazy. I thought he was gone.
Swimming at you the whole time?
That was weird, man. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I was like, I lost him. Slower. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's the way to do it. There you go. That's a good one.
I might have just dug it just a little too slow there.
You're knocking on.
That's nice.
Hey, you're knocking on the door, man.
I like the spoon.
You're knocking on the door.
It's nice because it doesn't hang the bottom. Even if I touch the bottom, I'm
Yeah, you get a little weed on it or whatever.
come right back up. I got a little weed on me.
Ah.
A little bit.
That way, buddy. There you go. See, now you got the right rhythm. Oh, fish on.
Fish on.
Hey, skunk's off the boat. Tighten that drag. Let's go.
Oh shit, came at me.
There you go. Don't lose him. You need your net. Oh, good for you, brother. Catch and release, man. You were, hey.
Bend over so man didn't have to bend.
Hey, man. Making it easy for you, too.
Alright, I got the speed down. That's all I
Hey, you felt that, right? I mean, that.
felt the speed and the hit.
Yep. Yep, that's what it's all about, man. Good for you.
Felt like I forgot that.
You switched colors from the gold?
I was down the orange, yeah. Got one coming right across here. Slow it down a little bit more. He's coming.
Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. He hit it.
I saw him coming.
Oh, man. I heard my drag move. My drag's a little bit loose.
That's why I lost that fish, I think.
Oh, because it.
My drag.
Oh, look, they're right here. Okay. Oh shit! I got water coming in my boots. I got a little bit distracted there. Oh, I gotta pour this water out.
I think I'm going back to gold because we're tired of seeing this.
Oh hey, Jim's on. Jim gotta be on the video before I leave. Jim from Bishop, what's up, man? Come on, there you go. Let's go. Can he land them? Can Jim land the? Can Jim land the fish?
We'll see.
Let's see. Here we go. He carefully gets the net. He carefully. Yeah! Ah, yeah! Jim gets the fish. Yeah! Let's go. Congratulations, Jim.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it all.
Yeah, no worries, man. You have a good day, man.
I will. And that is everything right there. So here, I'll show you this one. Hey, what was your name again?
Ted.
Ted. Jim.
Jim. All right, Jim.
I might not remember, but I remember your face.
Stay blessed, man.
Appreciate you too, brother. Right when I switched over on the first cast.
Yeah, keep changing them up. That's how you do it. Hey, did you see it, Jim? Yay, let's go. You're welcome. Wow, man. Hey, what a good time we had, guys, man. We were just catching those stalkers by the pier, by the dock. We'll take a little break, man. We might hit the sunset bite on the e-bike. You got one? Yes, sir. Let's go. That's awesome, man. Hey.
I'm gonna walk down the rocks there.
Oh yeah.
I saw some fish up on the surface.
Yeah. So did you got the slow retrieve and all that?
Super slow.
Yeah.
It's just kind of almost like
And you know
turn and just stop for
you
a
could
second.
change it up, change the cadence, pause. You can give
I
it.
think the pause.
Yeah.
might
You
trigger
can
it.
you can also give it a little jerk.
Yeah.
Dying bait fish. You know, just some suggestions. What's your name again?
Kevin.
Right on, Kevin. Good luck,
I
man.
appreciate it. I hope you.
Give me a sub.
I hope you who also.
Right on.
I'll follow you. I hope you hook into whatever the hell that.
Oh man, I'm gonna give you props, Kevin. Kevin told me there's a big one back there. We got bit, dude. We got bit. Okay, let's try that again, man, on camera. We got bit on camera. Oh, we're on, dude. Fish on. Ah, let's go. Yes, sir. Yee, let's go. Ha. Fish everywhere here, dude. Get another one. The PE at work, man. Pineapple Express, bro. Caught one. Woo! Followed it in, dude. Got one. Soon, dude, as soon as you slow it down, bro. You know what I mean? It's like I literally like almost stopped reeling. That's how slow you gotta get the bottom. See ya. Man, I fished a lot today. Fished all day. Okay, let's go to the back. We're gonna go to the back, guys.